guys, so this is going to be my first ever studio vlog slash probably craft vlog. A good majority of this vlog is just me doing the DIY resin swatches. I will put a link in the description box below if you want to skip to where I'm opening packages and whatnot. But yeah, so here goes nothing. So right now I'm just arranging the pieces where I want them. I'm going to go into Photoshop and make a template for how to glue them on there the way that I want them. So right now I'm just getting the spacing down. Now I'm just going to write down the dimensions and the spacing in inches. That way when I put it in Photoshop, I'm not just guessing. Alright, so we're going to fire the computer up. Photoshop's already up. I think I cut out the 25 minutes it took me to actually get to this point because it was just torture. Right now I'm watching Peppa's art as I finish up this template. Template is all done, and I'm going to remove the pieces and go ahead and put it inside the picture frame. That way I can glue them on the way that I want them. So with this template, I kind of did 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch spacing. So I think I did a 1/2 inch from each side and then a 1/4 inch from the top and the bottom. And then between color rows, I did a 1/2 inch per 8. So let me tell you, it took forever to get this right because every time I flipped the frame over, it would shift a little bit. So I kept having to go back and reposition the paper and reposition the paper, and it was kind of annoying. But it turned out well at the end. now I'm going to position all the pieces in their little boxes and get them spaced all nicely. And then once I get them spaced out, I'm going to glue them down. I'm totally not going to lie to you. I don't really know what to talk about. There's really a lot that I could talk about, but I don't know if it's really that interesting. And I guess I'm going to start with the fact that I've been off of YouTube for so long. So I started my channel back in like 2013, but didn't post anything. It was mainly just to favorite other people's videos, channels. And then I started crafting, and I posted my first video in I think like October, because I remember I was doing like Halloween themed resin pieces, and I was so excited to start my channel. So I was pretty consistent for a little while, and then in less than a year I just stopped posting videos. I got caught up in life. At that point I had a 1-year-old, and I just was trying to focus on her and I guess playing video games, because that's all I really did back then. And yeah, I just kind of abandoned my channel. And then, you know, I got a full-time job and was working 50+ hours a week and did not have time to craft, did not have time to make a video, and that's when my Etsy also dropped off. Ta-da! All done, all glued into place. I accidentally spilled some extra glue there, but whatever. And now I put in my glitter cardstock, and it's looking fabulous. Seriously, shout out to Crafter's Delights. I will put her information in the description box below. This was her idea. So now we're gonna get along with the rest of the day. I've got a few Amazon packages to open, and a couple things that I want to do, like some backing cards. And yeah, first we're gonna put this trash bag in here because yes, finally have a trash can for my craft room. I love that now I have a trash can. I didn't even actually put those cups in the trash. Do you see them there, just sitting there? I also got some doilies and some cardstock. Cardstock is going to be for the backing cards, and doilies are for pictures. Hey, that receipt though, gotta keep those business expenses. Now this beauty here. I am so excited for this. I've needed a trimmer for ages. I've been cutting everything out by hand, and I get really frustrated when my lines are not that straight. As you can see, I had some kakegurui cards that I printed. When I put them in the oven to shrink them, they were very crooked. So I'm so happy to have this. So yeah, back to real talk again. So yeah, I had an Etsy that I had started back then when I started my channel. I had tons of ideas of things that I wanted to put on there, but you know, just got caught up in life and it got abandoned. Over the course of the last few years, you know, I added a few things here or there, and I made a couple of sales around Christmas time, but I really was not focusing on it like at all. Then sometime around, I guess last year, I had just randomly logged onto my YouTube because I kept getting like notifications for subscribers and comments, and I saw one of my videos had over 20,000 views and was completely blown away. I was like, what? There's no way, this has to be fake. But it wasn't. So I've made quite a few job moves in the last 3 years. So now I'm in a position where I'm working not as much as I was before, and I have a little bit more free time. get back into crafting and playing my video games because it's something that I really love, and I hated the fact that I had stopped to begin with. So right here, I had already made the backing cards, I think the night before, so I'm just printing them out and changing the settings on my printer so it will print on cardstock paper, and then yeah, we're going to print them out and cut them out. Moment of truth right now. They are printing and I'm so excited. I think I was saying something about how it looked weird when it was printing, but then I remembered I'm printing on like pearlescent paper, so yeah, stupid me. I need to remember to adjust the photo in Photoshop because there's not enough space on the end edge, but plenty of space on the top edge. Now we cut them out. I'm so excited about this. This paper cutter has a lock on the side, which is actually pretty smart, pretty great. And it cuts so well. Look at this. So I can't remember if I said it yet, but I had an Etsy shop before, and I'm not very active with it. I don't really post any new things, so my goal is to completely close that one down, and I'm making the new Etsy shop, which is Otaku Handmade, and that's probably what this vlog and the next couple of vlogs are going to be, just me getting everything ready to open this shop, and then opening the shop. So before I cut every single one of them out, I'm going to just test really quickly how the backing card looks on a button. I love it. I love it. I love the pearlescent paper. I think it's a little bit hard to read, and I might change the design of it, but other than that, I love it, and I'm very happy with it. Now that I'm happy with the test, I'm just gonna finish cutting out the rest of them and then move on to opening a couple packages that I have, and then that'll be the end of the vlog. The first package that we have is my brand new bamboo fine liner for my iPad. I just found out that my old iPad can run Procreate, and yeah, so now I need a stylus. Then we have our baker's twine for packaging products for the Etsy shop. Confetti and shrink paper, also for packaging, and it looks amazing. I'm so happy about this. I think I say I'm so happy about everything, like a lot. So I'm just going to put this in a container, make it easier to get to when I am finally packaging orders. And then So it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm just gonna have a late lunch, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Like I said, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, well, I guess give it a thumbs down. I hope you don't like it. Or wait, I hope you don't not like it? I think that's what I'm trying to say. But thank you guys for watching, and please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like I said, I'm going to try to be much more active with my YouTube and getting this new Etsy rolling. And I'm very excited for the things that I have in mind, so hopefully this all goes well.